Hi friends! Let's learn about two tricky words. Everyday one word. And everyday, two words. Everyday, one word, means ordinary. Like your comfy shoes or backpack. For everyday, one word, swap it with the word ordinary or common. Example, these are my everyday shoes. This becomes these are my ordinary shoes. Does this sound right? Yes it does, so it must be everyday one word. Everyday, two words, means each day. Like eating breakfast, or brushing your teeth. Got it? Let's practice! For everyday, two words. Let's swap it with the words each day. Example, I walk my dog every day. This is now I walk my dog each day. Does this sound right? Yes it does. Then we use two words for every day. Okay, let's try some more examples. Let's swap everyday with common or ordinary. Let's see if the sentence works. This is my ordinary jacket. Yes, it works. So it will be everyday, one word. I go for a walk every day. Let's see. I go for a walk each day. Yep, also correct. Each day two words. So use everyday two words. This is my everyday comb. This is my ordinary comb. Well done, that's correct. Everyday is one word. I sleep at 8 p.m. every day. I sleep at 8 p.m. each day. You're on a roll. Everyday is two words. Now, which one of these is correct? These are my everyday shoes. Everyday one word. These are my everyday shoes. Everyday two words. Let's think about this and see what we've learned. Which one sounds correct? These are my each day shoes. These are my ordinary shoes. It's definitely everyday. One word. Thanks for watching.